Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, and tonight in this lesson, we're going to be looking at one little word and one little word only. That word is in. We're going to look at the many uses of in, because all of my students have difficulty using the little word in. I don't know why. It's really so easy, just like all the other words. Here are some of the many ways that we can use this little word. We use it before the months, like my birthday is in April. Christmas is in December. It's really cold in January. Valentine's Day is in February. Happy Valentine's Day. You see, so just before the months, use in all the time. Used before the seasons. We like to go camping in the summer. They will go on vacation together in the winter. I plant my flowers in the spring. I clean up a lot of leaves in the fall or autumn. You can use either of those two words. Means the same. Here's what my property looks like in the fall. Yes, I clean up a lot of leaves in the fall. So before the seasons, just put it there and it's easy. When referring to a period of time, things will be better in the future. You should really leave that in the past. Kids played together outside in the good old days. Look at these children playing outside, having fun. No cell phones or tablets for these kids. Fortunately, sales increased in the last year. I'll be back in a few minutes. It's important to be happy and optimistic in our daily lives. He is relocating to China in 6 months. In the Ice Age, most of the world's water was trapped in thick sheets of ice. In the Stone Age, people fabricated and used tools made of stone, hence the name the Stone Age. From a source, I read it in a book. She talked about it in her autobiography. My son will play the lead role in the school play. He was the most compelling actor in the play. Who's starring in this movie? Referring to a field of activity. It's one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern medicine. Her daughter is pursuing a career in education. There is a serious labor shortage in local agriculture. I see your future in politics. She is strong in business and communications. Being a member of a group or organization. My brother is in the Army. Her brother is in the Navy. John is in the Air Force. She's in the Marine Corps. Look how happy she is to be in the Marine Corps. She's so proud of her job. Referring to a specific time of the day. I like to go for a brisk walk in the morning. My husband usually takes a nap in the afternoon. We like to sit outside and drink our tea in the evening. What a lovely cup of tea. I would love to have that right now. Be careful. We like to watch scary movies late at night. So we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Be careful with that one. Referring to a location. The clothes are still in the dryer. It's in the kitchen, in the fridge, in the bottom drawer. Put your lucky charm in your pocket. My wallet is in my purse. Just like that. It's in my purse. Being enclosed or surrounded by something. Based on the terms and conditions of this contract, you are locked in for another 5 years. Who are those handsome men dressed in black? I prefer to watch movies in color. My boss is always dressed in a suit and tie. Now look at how professional this boss looks in his nice suit and tie. Used before the year that an event took or will take place. She was born in 1983. They got married in 1999. The book was first released in 2010. I will retire in 2026. Our baby's first Christmas was in 2021. Look at baby's first Christmas. So cute. Referring to something that is considered to be currently popular, fashionable, or trendy. Leggings and sweater dresses are in this fall. It's the in place for young people to hang out. She is definitely part of the in crowd at school. His music is no longer in. That hairstyle is no longer in. Braids are now in. Look at this little cutie with her little braids. That's so sweet. Entering a room or a building. Welcome to my house. Please come in. Go in your room to listen to your music. Please remove your shoes before you go in. Bring the cat in before it gets dark. I'm sorry, but Mr. Jones is not in at the moment. Just go in and sit down. Someone will be with you shortly. So he's waiting, waiting, waiting. I guess somebody will come to help him shortly. Located inside a place, area, or region. During our trip to Morocco, we slept in a tent in the desert, just like Marie. I think she's still in bed. He left his keys in the car again. I got sick on vacation and spent 3 days in my hotel room. Put the utensils in the drawer. We were stuck in traffic for 2 hours. Nobody likes traffic. Nobody. Location within countries, cities, states, and provinces. I have a business meeting in Vancouver next week. Which places did you visit while you were in Texas? They met in Alberta last summer. We live in Canada, and what a beautiful place Canada is. I agree. The word in can also be used with these expressions. In my way. You're in my way. Can you move, please? In conclusion. In conclusion, we will not move forward with your application for employment. In demand. This new product is really in demand. In control. He always likes to be in control, so you have nothing to worry about. In danger. Do you feel that you are in danger at times? In good or bad condition. My car is in good condition. Your car is in bad condition. In order. I worked till midnight last night, and now everything is in order. In tears. She was in tears when she was telling me what happened. In custody. The suspect is finally in custody. In a tight spot. I'm in a tight spot. Can you lend me $100? In shock. I'm in shock. I can't believe what you are telling me. In stock. All the products advertised in our flyer are in stock. In detail. Can you describe in detail what you saw? In a hurry. I'm really in a hurry. Can you just finish this transaction? In person. She delivered the letter in person. In silence. The crowd stood there in silence, waiting for the name of the winner to be called. In debt. If you are in debt, there are debt relief programs that can help you. In cash. Payments must be made in cash only. In pain. The patient was in pain after the surgery. In private. Can I talk to you in private? In trouble. Can you help me? I'm really in trouble. In case. Bring some extra bottles of water just in case. In season. Peaches are not in season at this time of year. In doubt. If you are in doubt, contact a lawyer. In favor. I am in favor of a 4-day work week. In luck. You're in luck. I have a few dollars that I can lend you. In jail or prison. He will be in jail or prison for a long time. In top shape. Louis was sick for a while, but now he's in top shape. In love. Those two are really in love. In the dark. I can't see in the dark. In return or in exchange. What will you give me in exchange or in return for this? In awe. I was in awe when I met him. Don't forget, if there are words in this lesson that you don't understand, you can take them out of the lesson, put them in your vocabulary list, translate them into your language, and study this list every day. A tree was planted in honor of her father. In general, the education system needs to be improved. In the meantime, the new equipment will arrive next week, but in the meantime, you can continue using the equipment that you have. In disguise, it's just a new tax in disguise. In time, she arrived just in time to catch her flight. In gold or in silver, she has invested a lot of money in gold or in silver. In summary, the launch of our new product was a big success. In fear, you can't live your life in fear of that. In horror, she looked at me in horror when I described what happened. In the long run, you will be bilingual in the long run. In the distance, we could see the city lights in the distance. In despair, she looked at me in despair. In addition, my company pays quarterly bonuses in addition to my base salary. In particular, His participation in class in particular must be improved. In wonder. Everyone watched in wonder as the glamorous couple danced across the dance floor. In the mirror. I can see my reflection in the mirror. Is there anything easier than that? No, that was really easy. I hope that that video helped you get the word in straight in your sentences, If you guys need extra help and you need to learn English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This book is published and distributed by McGraw-Hill everywhere in the world. You can get a copy of it online and especially on Amazon. It's easy to find. This is the 3rd edition, but the 4th edition recently came out, so you should get the 4th edition. I want you guys, if you buy this book, to start at the beginning, complete every single page right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you're learning. If you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, everybody tells me they have difficulty with verb tenses. Every student I ever had told me that. I don't know why. It's so easy. All you have to do is get a copy of English Verb Tenses. You start at the beginning of the book. You complete every lesson right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you're learning. You can get it on Amazon, of course. If you guys get one or both of these books, I want you to complete them right to the end of the book. If you leave it in your office, in your bedroom, in the kitchen, in a closet, and you don't open the book, it won't help you. Get the book, complete the book, and you'll be a lot better off. You'll understand your English verb tenses and your basic English for sure. Don't forget to put a like on the video, leave a comment down below, ask any questions if you have any. That's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys, you know where, in the next lesson. So good night for now.